Hello everyone, my name is Jitendra Bafna. In this video, we're going to see how we can use a Agentforce data library with Agentforce basically, right? So in last video, we have seen how we can create a Agentforce data library. We have also seen how the data get processed in the backend for the Agentforce data library. Then we have created a prompt template, right, through which we have called the Agentforce data library to retrieve the information from the document, right? So now as I in my last video I have already uploaded a file related to case management into Agentforce data library, and now I will going to integrate that ADL with a Agentforce. So let's get started. The first thing I will show you what we have done in the last video at a high level, right? So I already have this particular file called Agentforce data library, right? So I've created that particular file Agentforce data library. I uploaded these two file, case management knowledge base and case management banking. So these are the two PDF file I've already uploaded to my Agentforce data library. I will recommended everyone to please watch my previous video before watching this video, because in previous video I have explained everything about Agentforce data library, right? So I have already created Agentforce data library and everything in my previous video, and I also create a flex prompt template to call this particular Agentforce data library, right, to retrieve the information from the document. So now what I will do, I will go to the agents. So I already created one of the agents basically, Agentforce agent, right? I already have that. So in my previous video we have created some agent for SO service agent, right? We will use same agent. I can just say open in builder, right? So first thing, I will go to data and I will just select the data library. So this is my data library I want to select. I will just say frequently asked question data library, right? And it has a two file. I can just say save. Okay. So one of the limitation here. So with Agentforce you can only call with one Agentforce you can only associate it one data library, right? In case if you have a different multiple types of document, then what you can do, so with one data library you can you can upload the multiple documents. See, I have done that, right? So I have uploaded two documents basically, right? And like in case if you have a two data library, right, so how you can call that data library basically, right? It's possible, like first thing what you can do, like you can definitely use you can configure one of the data library from here, and also you can use the prompt template. So basically you can call the prompt template data library in the prompt template, and then you can call the prompt template into the Agentforce. We will going to see that, okay, how we can call the prompt template in this particular Agentforce. So here I will just associated my data library with this particular Agentforce. I will go to topic. I already have one topic available in the library, so that is a out of box topic. You can just search for FAQs. So general FAQ is there. I can just say finish. Now you don't have to do anything. Already all the actions and everything associated with this topic actions basically answer question with the knowledge already associated. Basically you can just see, like, it already provided classification, description, scope, and already providing all the instructions that is needed. If customer question is too vague or general, ask more details and clarification to give a better answer. If you are unable to help the customer, even asking the clarifying question, ask if they want to escalate issue live. So those kind of information is already available. Now you don't have to configure any actions, anything, because it's already there, and we have already associated a data library here basically, right? So now I can just refresh it, and let's see, I will simply start asking the question, what is case management? So let's see that. So now it's getting the answer for us. So case management is structure process for handling the customer client internal issue using workflow. So let's see if we get here, you can see, like, so here, like, it select the general FAQ, and it already have a one action, it that is get selected, and this is the response we get, right? The knowledge summaries and all this kind of response, right? So let's see, we verify our answer. So it's almost, I think, like, it's same what is in the file, right? So okay, it's a structure handling the customer client and all these things, right? So now I will copy one of more question, like, from here. Okay, let me take SLA related. Yeah, I can take the. So it always not necessary your question should be always match 100%. Not like that. Even you are, it's some percentage matching, it's okay, it will able to answer for you. So I can say what are the SLA priority timeline, sorry, for the case spread. So it get me that. I can just do some changes here. Okay, let's see what it does. We got the same answer, right? Right, so let me ask one more question. What is case management in banking? So it get answer structure process of handling fraud investigation internal. So this is the answer we get from the second file, right? Not from this file. So I uploaded one case management related file, right? So this is the file. So you can see like it's give the proper fraud investigation, everything. This is correct. Let's see what type of cases type managed by the banking. Let me go back to my Agentforce and let's see. Yeah, we got the correct answer, KYC related, all this information, and it also provide the good answer in the good bullet points and everything. Customer complaint, fraud detections, regulatory compliance cases. Let's see if it's the same or it's a different. So customer complaint, dispute, fraud detection, loan, credit, regulatory. It's like, yeah, it's a good answer. So now what I will do instead of that, like I will remove this. Okay, I will remove from the agent. Okay, instead of that I can call, I don't want to call from using the data library basically. So there's other way we can do it. I will just save it. I will not do any changes here. So I already created in my previous video a prompt template, right? So let me go to prompt template. Okay, I go to end. So I have already created prompt template, right? So it is in activated mode. So where I am just doing input query, and like I call this frequently asked question retriever, right? This is my source of the information. So this particular retriever have a two document, right? Case management, normal case management, and case management for the banking, right? We have seen that in my previous video. I just recommended to watch my previous video. So this is what we have done. So this is the name of this agent for question answer flex template. So what I will do, I go back to my Agentforce, right? And now I go to topic. I can just say new topic. I will just say new topic. Okay, and what this topic will retrieve the answers related to normal case management. Okay, and banking related case management answers using prompt template. I can give the say next. Once you say your job to retrieve the answers in case retrieve the answer for inquiry for using appropriate prompt template, retrieve banking related question, it automatically generate the instruction for you, ask clarifying question, right? If unable, so it automatically generate. If unable to retrieve the answer, escalate the human agent, suggest the creating support case, all these things. So just say next, finish. So now I have created the topic first. Now I have to create a action, ignore. So I can just say case management. Okay, topic related query. I will just say action. I can just say new, create new action, and I will use the prompt template which I have created in my previous video, and I will look for that particular prompt template. So this is nothing, agent for question answers and the template. I can just say next. Here you can just provide the instruction, this prompt template. Okay, or I can just say it have information related to generic case management and banking related case management information. So which is very important because in the background at this all instructions are very important for Atlas reasoning engine to understand. So here I can just say getting answer dot 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 dot. Yeah, okay, we getting the answer here, input. So question, collect the question from the user related to the case management. That's fine. So it has to be collect from user. Okay, then select citation mode, like it's nothing, like you don't have to do. So prompt response I want to show in the
It's 6 o'clock.
conversation, right? Then you can just if you want to show the citation, a citation from where the document come, you just say show in conversation. I can just say finish. Once you done the finish, just refresh the page. Okay, so now like you are ready to test this out. So I can just say what is case management. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it okay, so it got the response basically. Okay, so here, let me ask one question more. What is case management life cycle? So we get the answer: case resolution, post closure, all this answer, right? So basically, so what I can do, one more thing I need to do for now, just to ensure, I'll just remove this to make sure, we have everything right information. I'll just refresh this. What is case management? Okay, so it's trying to get the answer. So we get the case management related answer. So let's see what is done. So it select like topic case management in the banking, right? It select the Agentforce question, answer and action, and it get the answer for us, right? I will just say what is case management in banking. I just removed that topic because I may have to change some kind of instruction. So that's why, because it may get conflict or something like that. So that's why it's fine, so but you can keep the multiple topic and it will able to identify the answers and everything, right? We get some kind of good answers. Basically, what is the purpose, what is the type of case, we getting additional information, right? It's so good to have it, right? So yeah, but it's, you can see, like, it's selecting the proper case management and banking topic, and the whatever action we have provided, it is properly selecting that, right? Yeah, but only like difference with when you put it in a data library, we get like concise answer, right? But when you put some kind of agent for prompt template, so it depends what kind of prompt you have written there, right? Depending on that, it return the answer, right? So that's fine. So I can just say what is case management life cycle. So now it is getting the answer. It will about, like, it's a case creation, assignment, investigation, and the closure. It is providing some additional description, but if you see the stages and everything which is matching our our import file. So let me check where. Yeah, it's like case creation, assignment, investigation, resolution, and the closure. Let me ask this question also. So it's, yeah, it is giving high priority, one business day timeline, so we start getting the correct answer what we are expecting, right? So like this is one of the way, but with preferable way, you always use this data library, right? That is one of the better preferable way. I just put this, save this, right? And I can just remove this, and I will again just import my topic which I will remove it, right? So this is my topic which already there, finish. Okay, so that is the preferable way. You can just upload the multiple file to the same data library, right? So yeah, so you can do that. Let me test once again, and may I have to add this question and answer topic again. So to use this question, it's FAQ. It is out of a box topic that you needed. Finish. Just refresh this and just say what is case management. Okay, this is the better one, right? So it give a proper answer when you using the data library. It give the proper, like whatever answer you mention in the that particular file, it provide that particular thing, right? Yeah. So like I have showcased one way, like there's a one workaround, like if you want to like if you want to point a multiple data library to same agent force, right? So you can use this approach, but otherwise I will recommend it to use this data tab, right? And where you can just call your data library, so you get a correct perfect answers what you are expecting. Yeah, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click on like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching.